In this question, you have to identify which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment. Option A, effluents of primary treatment. Now, the effluents of primary treatment are liquid waste that has already undergone sedimentation where heavier solids have settled down, and this liquid is sent for secondary treatment, not into the anaerobic sludge digester. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, activated sludge. Now, in wastewater treatment plants during the secondary treatment, that is the aeration stage, the wastewater undergoes a biological process where microorganisms break down organic matter, and the resulting mixture of wastewater and microorganisms forms a sludge which is known as activated sludge, and the excess activated sludge is sent to the anaerobic sludge digester for further treatment, where anaerobic bacteria digest the organic matter. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, primary sludge. It is incorrect. Primary sludge is the sludge that settles out during the primary treatment process, that is sedimentation. Now, primary sludge may be mixed with activated sludge and treated in the anaerobic sludge digester, but it is not the primary material to send to the digester. Option D, floating debris. It is also incorrect. Floating debris includes plastics, then leaves, and other items that is usually removed during the preliminary treatment, that is the screening phase, and it is not sent to the anaerobic sludge digester as these are mostly non biodegradable.